What if I told you there's a simple reason why millions of people aren't getting enough vitamin D, and it could be affecting your health right now? Vitamin D isn't just another vitamin. It's essential for your bones, immune system, and even your mood. Yet, despite being so crucial, most people are still deficient. So, why is that? And more importantly, how can you fix it fast? At the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you might be vitamin D deficient, and how you can take simple steps to correct it. Plus, don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video, where we'll reveal a surprising method to boost your vitamin D levels without supplements. Stay tuned for it. Let's start with the problem. Why are so many of us lacking this vital nutrient? For one, our modern lifestyles keep us indoors. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin, because our bodies produce it when exposed to sunlight. But thanks to long work hours and even protective sunscreen, many of us don't get enough sun exposure. In fact, studies show that nearly 40% of the global population suffers from vitamin D deficiency. But wait, isn't vitamin D in food? Yes, but not enough. Most people believe they can get all the vitamin D they need from diet alone, but here's the truth. Even a healthy diet doesn't provide nearly enough. For example, you'd need to drink 10 glasses of milk a day just to meet the basic daily requirements. Now that we know the issue, how do we solve it? First, get outside. Even just 15 to 30 minutes in the midday sun can significantly boost your vitamin D levels. Make sure to expose as much skin as possible, your arms, legs, and face. However, if you live in areas where winter months have little sunlight, it might not be enough. That's where supplements come in. Experts recommend 800 to 2000 IU of vitamin D daily for most adults, but some may need more, especially those with darker skin, higher body weight, or certain health conditions. Don't worry, it's easy to incorporate vitamin D into your routine. You can find vitamin D supplements at your local pharmacy or grocery store. But what if I told you that getting enough vitamin D might require more than just supplements and sunshine? That brings us to diet. While food alone isn't enough, it's still a key piece of the puzzle. Fatty fish like salmon, fortified foods like cereals, and even egg yolks can help fill in the gaps. However, combining these foods with proper sunlight and supplements will ensure you're reaching the optimal vitamin D levels of 30-50 ml. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the bonus tip. Did you know that taking vitamin D with a meal that contains healthy fats can increase absorption? That's right. Since vitamin D is fat-soluble, having it with something like avocado, nuts, or olive oil can boost how well your body absorbs this vital nutrient. So, the next time you take your vitamin D supplement, pair it with your breakfast or a smoothie for maximum benefits. In summary, getting enough vitamin D doesn't have to be hard. Spend a little time in the sun, take a daily supplement, and make sure to include a few vitamin D-rich foods in your diet. Your body, and your health, will thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Uncovered for more tips on unlocking the best version of yourself through science-backed health advice. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or supplement routine.